back to my channel, Makeup by Yoli. I know, do you luck this or her? I got it from the beauty store. I went and picked up some purchases, and you know, I'm always about changing up a look because makeup always looks good with different kind of hairstyles. We all know that what drives the look is sometimes the hair or sometimes just the makeup. So today for this look I wanted something soft and pink to commemorate the whole Valentine's Day look. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and I can't wait to show you guys this tutorial. So without further ado, let's get it on and popping, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. So for this look, I've already done my brows, and I'm gonna go in now with my concealer just so I can start on the eyes. And so I'm gonna dab a little of the concealer right onto it for a base. And it doesn't have to be perfect, and you're just gonna dab onto it with your hands just to kind of warm it up and just really get it into the skin. I put a little bit more on this side, but that's okay. Going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first color I'm going to be using is this mauve color right here as my transition color. And with a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in and I'm going to put that transition color right into my eyes. Okay, now that we have the mauve color put in for transition, I'm going to go in with a deeper color to kind of deepen this look and create that smoked out effect. And the color that I'm going to be using is this one right here. And for this, I'm going to go in with my tapered brush, and I'm just going to focus right on the outer corners of the eyes. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with even a deeper color just to kind of smoke it out and intensify it, and the color I'm gonna be using is this one right here. And for precision, of course, we wanna go even smaller with the brushes, and because I have smaller eyes, I'm gonna use a smaller, fluffy kind of pencil brush. And just like that, we're gonna blend it out. Now that we have both eyes put together, we're gonna go in with concealer, and we're gonna do a cut crease. So I zoomed in so you guys can really see how we're gonna cut this crease. We're gonna use a little bit of concealer, and we're gonna go into the lid, and we're just gonna build it all the way through. We're gonna follow the shape of the lid. If you have wider set eyes, you can go a little higher if you want it to. For the sake of this look, I'm not gonna do that. Just like that, the crease has been cut. For the glitter pigment that I'm going to be using is white gold, and it's from JLaRue Cosmetics. And for this process, you want to go slow. I'm using the same brush that I used for my cut crease. I'm going to apply a little bit of pigment onto that brush, and I'm just going to pack it in slowly into the eyes. Don't rush this process, ladies and gents, because we all know that this can go really, really bad if you try to pack it on too fast. And also take your time, pat it in. Do not spread it out, like don't blend it out, just pack it. So it all concentrates in the areas that you want it to, and it focuses the product right where you want it to be present. Sorry, I couldn't think of the words to say, but you guys get what I mean. You see how slow I'm going? And I'm gonna follow this all the way to the out. Don't swipe left, don't swipe right. This is not Tinder, this is not OkCupid, but pack it in just like that. And we're gonna blend everything out. We're gonna add some more of that dark color into the eyes to kind of bring it all in, just like that. done. So I just put on my lashes and I did my wing liner, and now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Pro Filter face primer. I really do love this primer. I don't know why, but I love the way my makeup lasts when it's on, and it just, I don't know, it just gives it a good finish, and I don't know, it just makes the makeup look so good. Rihanna did a good job with this one. So now that my foundation has been applied, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm gonna use my Shape Tape concealer by Tarte, and I'm just gonna apply little bits underneath the eye, on the bridge of the nose, on the chin, and on the forehead, and we're gonna buff this out. I'm also gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition for contour, and I'm just gonna contour a little. I don't want it too much. And I'm gonna buff that in, and I'll be right back. So now that we've buffed in the concealer and the contour, we're gonna go in with the Fenty Butter Powder, and I'm just going to add that. Well, I'm gonna go in it with my Beauty Blender. I know it's just easier to pack it in with the Beauty Blender than it is with a brush. And I'm just gonna pack this all throughout my face. And just to set it. And don't worry about adding color. We will do that with the bronzer and the blush. And just like that, we are ready for bronzing and for blush. So for my bronzer, I lost a piece on this side. It just kind of cracked off. I'm using my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Palette. This is my favorite bronzers. I usually just stick within these two colors for bronzing because they're just my favorite. But I'm kind of sad that this actually broke off. It was very, very devastating as I saw the chunks fall off. But it's okay, because you know what? Makeup can always be replaced. We're just going to contour, and I'm going to finish contouring this, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to add some mascara to my lashes, only because I feel like this eye is looking a little heavier than this eye, and I don't know why that is happening. But for the sake of just trying to make it even and not drive myself crazy, I'm gonna add some mascara, and I don't think that worked out too well, but there's nothing we can do about it. I don't know why this lash is looking heavier than the other. Maybe it's placement, I don't know. I'm not gonna drive myself crazy, I promise. I won't. As a makeup artist, I know I'm saying this, and in my head I'm like, you know you're gonna change that lash. Probably will, maybe won't. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna go in with the blush. And the blush I'm going to use is my Your Dreamy ColourPop palette that I created with the colors that I liked. So I'm just going to go in with some good colors that will just add a bit of that flesh kind of cheeky look to go with this cheeky hair. Doesn't have to be crazy, just get enough color in there. And I usually go heavy with my color because throughout the day this actually kind of tones down, and then you can't even see the blush anymore, which sucks. Going in with one of my palettes, and I'm going to use the highlighting shade, and I'm just going to go in with a regular fluffy brush and kind of create some drama with the highlight around the Cupid's bow for a pop. And right up here, oh, that was pretty. And right above the brow bone for some cool effect. Look at that, that is just beautiful. Oh my God. And we're just gonna do that here as well. And then we're gonna pop some of that color right here. And we're gonna blend this out so it looks more natural and not too greasy. And just like that, we're gonna go in with the lips, and I'll be right back. For the lips, I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, and the color that I'm using is a Versatile Chestnut. I usually use this color throughout all of my tutorials, so this is no different. And I'm just gonna line my lips up. They're a little dry, sorry about that, guys. Didn't put any lip balm on before this look. And then we're gonna go in with one of my matte lipsticks. That is so beautiful. And it goes right in with the hair and the whole look and the backdrop. I feel like a celebrity. I don't want this too much because I want to kind of like blend it in with my finger. Oh, these nails, oh God. I love matte lipsticks because you can ombre it, blend, and create nice plush lips like that. Like that. Plush. Plush. That's what plush looks like. And I just created a nice plushed look using my fingers because I don't want the liner to show too much. I just want it more to just look like I have full plush lips. Just like that. And now to set this overall look, because I really don't want this look to come off. I like it this much. I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter. Yes. And see, for Valentine's Day, you want to look. You don't know whether you're going to get like engaged, whether you're going to go out to someplace fancy, and you just want your makeup to, you want people to stop you and be like, girl, where did you get your makeup done at? And you want to just be able to say, I did that all on my own. So I'll be right back with the final look. And just like that, guys, I brushed out my hair. I am feeling this, and I mean, when you just brush it, it's just, look at that body. And this wig was not expensive at all, which is the crazy part. Probably about 20 bucks, if that. I mean, it looks 20 bucks-ish from the top. That's where we're only going from here to here. But for the sake of just like right here, like this shot right here, it just looks like I spent a lot of money on this wig. Legit. But I brushed it out, combed it, and now this is the final look, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. And let me know what you think by commenting below. And also subscribing, because let's face it, Yoli's got more stuff coming to you guys, especially as the weather gets warmer. We will have some more spicier looks. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.